What exactly happened, Mr. Shiv Kumar? Because this looks like a massive loss of face for the party in Karnataka, where there have already been rumblings taking place. What you tell us? What exactly happened?
See, we respect all our Congress former presidents. We know we used to make a separate event. Indira Gandhi death anniversary is described as a different event. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also as a different event. Death and birth anniversary doing at the same times has a lot of different dimensions. So we everything was set aside. Their photographs, both the set of photographs was ready. We didn't want it to mix a death and a birth, this one. Because discussion on the contribution of Indira Gandhi at the national level and the party cadres is different. Discussion of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is different. Then a suggestion came that we will do a single event because leaders have to come at a different point of time. Morning, Indira Gandhi's, all of them in the government level also they take pledge. BJP is trying to comment on that. Let BJP show in their office. They never respect Indira Gandhi. They never put their photograph. They never do anything with Indira Gandhi or even Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We Congress Party, we have a tradition. We have from the more than 40-50 years. We have this one. What photos at which, how many functions to be conducted.
But Mr. Shiv Kumar, all of this that you're telling us, because eventually Patel's photograph was brought in, does this confusion and clarity has to come in at the event? And while there are cameras rolling, there are microphones on, you know this happened just a few weeks ago as well, when you only were being discussed by some other members of the party. Why couldn't this be discussed earlier? And to have a Patel photograph come in later clearly is giving political opportunity to others.
Should we have a single event or a different, was our discussion, what's wrong in it? There is nothing wrong in it. Even if cameras are there, if we open, we speak, it is a part of the public distribution. We are in public domain. You please ask BJP people to show what they have done on 31st of October on the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel program, on the birth anniversary and the death anniversary of Indira Gandhi. They never respect any leaders. They just only comment. They want a public news and they are just trying to high comment. We at least bother about whatever they tell.
Mr. D.K. Shiv Kumar, yes.
We respect our leaders. We respect the country who has given their lives. We respect our leaders, the Congress presidents of this country. And we have done it. That's all.
So I'm sure you're aware that for Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, that has been a political issue. Bharatiya Janata Party and the government has managed to make this huge Patel statue, while also adding that the Congress has consistently ignored Patel. So what happened here, and that is why the BJP is jumping in. That, you have Indira Gandhi, you don't have Patel.
If we had ignored Patel, why would we have kept the photo ready there? That is a different program we normally do it. Because he is our Congress president and Iron Man, we respect him. BJP want to have done a statue, they want to take advantage, let them do. It is their right, we don't want. But we have to work with our conscience and our traditions.
So you are saying, Mr. D.K. Shiv Kumar, that it was not that the Congress party was ignoring the Iron Man of the country.
We don't want. It is BJP who is ignoring Indira Gandhi and Sardar Patel. They are ignoring Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Indira Gandhi.
Yes. So at this point, because clearly how it looks like and because the visuals are also running, it shows that the Congress cannot decide with its top leaders. And Siddaramaiah and both of you are strong and top leaders of the Congress party. And when something like that happens, it is of course a clear opportunity for the BJP to come in, because BJP shows that only we remembered Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, we remembered him and made a statue of him, while the Congress party is forgotten. But why are you, if you can add us again, that this confusion came in the first place?
I want media friends to ask, what is your contribution in your party offices to Indira Gandhi and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? You please ask that, what they have. At least we remember, we discuss on things, we remember whatever the contribution they have made. They never do it. They never respect our national leaders.
Do you believe, Mr. Shiv Kumar, that at any point this may have been avoided, could have been avoided, should have been avoided by the Congress party, at least at this
We
event?
decided to make whether to make it a different function or a one function. That's all.
All right, so whether they were two different functions or one, and that eventually was decided. So then why was it decided, sir, that the photograph of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel will be then brought on the dais with Indira Gandhi?
It was kept ready. We normally do a separate program. The discussion about Indira Gandhi is different, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is different, telling our cadres.
So that is what, remember, DK Shiv Kumar had said precisely. But obviously this has now become a political face-off. The BJP and the JDS are weighing on this politics.